Best rowing machine review. Rowing machines engage over 80% of the body's muscles with smooth gliding seats and rotating handles that elevate heart rates for maximum caloric burn. Multiple resistance types from air to magnetic to hydraulic mimic dynamics of on-water rowing indoors. But cheap designs often handicap consistency and comfort, limiting workout effectiveness. After evaluating dozens of sub-$500 home rowers, one innovative machine stands out, delivering premium adjustable resistance and durable engineering with folding capability costing hundreds less: the Tousains Foldable Rower. Beyond affordability under $300, its well-rounded performance and quality match mid-range brands priced double. Here's an in-depth review explaining why it deserves consideration as a top rowing machine recommendation for home use. Adjustable hydraulic resistance. The Tousains rower features 8 levels of hydraulic piston resistance calibrated from light paddling up to intensely vigorous tension. Twist a dial to fine-tune appropriate amounts of fluid drag for your strength and purpose. Lower resistance focuses technical form development across fuller range of motions. Higher levels increase drag for sculpting core and arms through more exertion across fewer harder strokes. The smooth increments between settings allow matching progressive overload exactly as muscles develop, unlike single-tension alternatives stuck frustratingly beyond or beneath ideal challenge levels. Sealed hydraulic cylinders create adaptive resistance reacting to each stroke's force exertion, unlike rigid resistance types. Consistent pressure also reduces noise to gentle sliding sounds along the seat rail, uninterrupted by rubber drags or fans. The natural dynamics respond similarly to actual rowing vessels across water for accurate on-land simulation. Performance monitor. Easy-to-read LCD screens come standard to track essential data points like elapsed time, representative count, strokes per minute and caloric burn rate, critical for monitoring intensity. Yet affordable home rowers rarely integrate durable console readouts to provide accurate feedback on improving pacing and form. The Tousains rower nail basics with big bold numbers and carved plastic housing, enduring vigorous motions for the long run. Ergonomic sculpted seat. We all have unique shapes, but manufacturers mold most budget rower benches generically narrow. Extended workouts pounding bony contours quickly numb glutes and hamstrings, reducing stamina for quality training. However, thick padded contouring better distributes pressures using viscoelastic foam, retaining 95% density after years of compression. Noticeably supporting backs and legs during each stroke maintains comfortable endurance, completing fuller sessions with less atrophy risk. Commercial steel frame. Cheap hollow builds invite shakes and cracks, failing prematurely across months from metal and bolt fatigue. But cold-rolled solid steel composing this unit's backbone stabilizes movements thoroughly. Robust construction follows commercial-grade standards, supporting 265 pounds if trained seriously while weighing just 57 pounds total for maneuvering compact storage locations. Dense injection materials molding components like the rear stabilizer and roller track also resist chips and rust, maintaining integrity through accountability testing equivalents. Foldable design. Bulky equipment cramming rooms steers preferences toward convenient mobile options when area comes limited. This well-engineered rower condenses over 50% smaller, detaching just one locking pin, allowing the pivoting arms to fold vertically flat. Speedy breakdown configuration cuts height under 4 feet without unwieldy seat rail removal or crimped cables restrictively tethering motions during transition. Integrated urethane wheels assist rolling neatly against walls without floor dominance after empowering sessions conclude each day. The Tousains machine earns high marks across all evaluation criteria, from adjustable fluid resistance to durable long-term construction. Practical folding capability fitting condos and apartments also accommodates key demographic ownership. Ultimately, impressive quality and components justify costs well below competing models lacking such fine-tuned engineering polish. For blending performance with affordability, this rower deserves top consideration. Disclaimer: we gather information about this product from their official website and the most trusted sources, so we cannot be held responsible for the accuracy of the product information or its performance.